Today we're gonna make this delicious lasagna soup. To get started on making our lasagna soup, we're gonna start over here on the stove, turn on our pot, and we're gonna heat up a tablespoon of olive oil. Now you can make this with ground beef or Italian sausage, or you can even mix both. But here I have Italian sausage, so I'm gonna cut the casing off so that we can break that up. And now this is going right into our pot. Next, we're gonna add in our onion and our garlic. Next, we're gonna add in our tomato paste and our dried oregano. Mix this together. Next, we're gonna add in our crushed tomatoes. I'm gonna add in our seasoning before I add in the chicken broth. So I have that's pepper, salt, 2 bay leaves, Italian seasoning. Mix that with the seasoning, and now we're gonna add in our chicken broth. So we have here about 6 cups of chicken broth. Stir this together. Now you can add red pepper flakes to this. I'm gonna keep it on the side and add it as I serve it, and if people want, they can add it to their own soup, just because my daughter doesn't love the spice, but you can add it when you're cooking it as well. So now that we've incorporated all these ingredients, we're gonna let this come to a boil, and then we'll let it simmer. Now we let that simmer for about 15 minutes, so now we're gonna add in our lasagna noodles. If you add the regular thick, flat lasagna noodles, you'd need about 10 of them and cut them up. But I have these other cute little noodles, so I'm gonna break a bunch of these up. Okay, a couple more, and then I'm gonna stir them. So we're gonna stir this, and now we have to let our noodles cook about another 15 minutes. So our soup is ready, our noodles are fully cooked, and now we have to mix our cheesy topping. So here we have ricotta cheese, we have shredded mozzarella, and Parmesan. So we're gonna mix this together. So this recipe I made because my daughter decided that she wanted lasagna soup. I tell them all the time, tell me some ideas that you guys want me to make for dinner. So Christina loves pasta. She could literally eat just pasta and grilled chicken every single day. So she's not that easy to cook for, and she loves lasagna. I don't love it because I don't love how heavy the pasta is, but she came up with this idea to make this lasagna soup, and it actually worked out great because if you don't like cheese, like for example, my mom can't eat cheese, or my sister, so this is perfect. They could just eat the soup and you dollop the cheese part as you're serving it. So it works out great for the whole family. So here we have our mixture of our cheese right here. I'll leave that on the side. And I have a little soup tureen here. Look at this soup, it looks amazing. We're gonna take these bay leaves out, and now I'm gonna ladle it into our soup tureen. This is definitely a hearty, filling soup, so perfect for the fall, winter. There we go. So to serve this, we're gonna ladle it out. Look at that. Delicious. Put a little fresh parsley on the side, and then our cheesy mixture here, the little dollop in the middle, and you could stir that into the soup. Look at that. It looks so yummy, tastes so good. Definitely a great dish for fall and winter. I hope you guys enjoy. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com, and don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store for some of my favorite products. Mm.